Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are safe and fine at home. Myself Sneha Pembati and I am going to teach you English subject for standard 3. Students, before we start the lesson, first we have to see the previous lesson. First lesson we have seen about the no smiles today. In that lesson what we have seen? We have seen about the friendship. We have seen how the friends are helping to their friends, how if our friends are worried. So the next lesson we are going to say about the friendship only, but before we start the lesson I am going to ask you some questions. See students, now the lockdown is there and you are playing in the mobile in the games. Have you know that which games you know that one? Especially name of the games which you know most. Yes, the name so many games are there. We can see that one like Ludo, Carom, Chess or Bubble Shoot or Candy Crush. These are the games we can see. But have you seen about the games that the puzzle like? Puzzle game have you seen? Yes, puzzle game. In the puzzle game we can see there are the different types of puzzle game is there. Like word puzzle is there, number puzzle is there. Next we can see about the arrange the pictures in the shapes that we can properly we have to arrange it. Like that puzzles we can see. Now some of the puzzles also we have to see in that one. There the squares as given in the lines and rabbit, or we can see when rabbit is there, rabbit has found to his carrot. So how he can go, the way, the direction we have to show that. Like this puzzle also we have to see. Means what? The puzzle means what? We have to find out the things in the suitable, in the correct direction. So this lesson is about, we are going to see about the same thing, that one about the two friends, what they have lost, how they are going to take, how they are getting, and while getting that one, which things they have to found, and while taking or while getting that things, what is the direction they are used, in which way they are going, and how they have get all the things we have to see in the next lesson. Our next lesson is about the lesson number 2 is a lost button. See here students, we can see in the picture, you have to see that one. There are rabbit is lost and help him find his way back to his friends. See here, I have told you about the puzzle. Here the puzzle that is given, the direction they are given, but they have to find out his friend, their friend is lost. So these friends, they have to find his friend and the direction they want to see. See here from this want to get, but it is stop, it is there. Again they have to see the another direction. Means the direction is what it is indicating to find out the things. And while these things we have to find out, we have to take the help of our friends. This lesson we are going to learn about the two friends, that Toad and Frog. They are lost. Toad has lost his button, and for that button they have to find, and for finding that button, which directions they are used, what is the way, and while finding that button, what things they have getting, all these things we have to see in this lesson. Before we start the lesson, first you have to open your textbook, page number 10. In that lesson number 2, the name of the lesson I have told you, a lost button. See my dear students, we have to see this lesson. Before I explain this lesson, first I am going to play this audio. So you have to finger on the line, listen that audio carefully, and whatever your hard words are there, you have to just underline with the pencil. Shall I start the audio? Finger on the line.
Unit 2, A Lost Button. Adapted from Frog and Toad Are Friends by Arnold Lobel. Toad and Frog went for a long walk. They walked across a large field. They walked in the woods. They walked along the river. At last, they came to Toad's house. "Oh dear," said Toad. "Not only do my feet hurt, but I have also lost one of the buttons on my jacket." "Don't worry," said Frog. "We will go back to all the places where we walked. We will find your button soon." They walked back to the large field. They began to look for the button in the tall grass. "Here is your button," cried Frog. "That is not my button," said Toad. "That button is black. My button was white." But Toad put the black button in his pocket. A sparrow flew down near Toad and Frog. "Excuse me," said the sparrow. "Did you lose a button? I found one." "That is not my button," said Toad. "That button has 2 holes. My button had 4 holes." But Toad put the button in his pocket. Then Toad and Frog went back to the woods to look for the button. "Here is your button," said Frog. "That is not my button," cried Toad. "That button is small. My button was big." But he put the small button in his pocket. Now Frog and Toad went back to the river. They looked for the button in the mud. "Here is your button," said Frog. "That is not my button," said Toad. "That button is thin. My button was thick." But Toad put the thin button in his pocket. The 2 friends looked some more. Then Toad became angry. He jumped up and down and shouted, "The whole world is covered with buttons, and not one of them is mine." Toad ran home and slammed the door. There, on the floor, he saw his white, 4-holed, big, thick button. "Oh," said Toad, "it was here all the time. What a lot of trouble I have made for Frog." Toad took all of the buttons out of his pocket. He took his sewing box down from the shelf. Then he sewed the buttons all over his jacket. The next day, Toad gave his jacket to Frog. His friend thought that it was beautiful. He put it on and jumped for joy. None of the buttons fell off. Toad had sewed them on very well.
So my dear students, have you listened this audio? So I am going to read the one by one this lesson in the sentence, and I am going to explain. First we have to see this one. Toad and Frog went for a long walk. They walked across a large field. They walked in the woods. They walked along the river. At last they came to Toad's house. See, those 2 friends are there. The friends' name are there, Frog and Toad. And they went to the long walk. How you can walk with your friends? The same they have also walked with the friends, that Toad and Frog. And they walked across the large field. And along with that they walked the woods. Now here the woods means the land which is covered with full of trees. Underline this word woods. It is given with the red, but you also underline with your pencil. Here wood is mentioned, that one, a land which is covered with full of trees. So they walk in the jungle, or we can say it is like a jungle type which is covered with the trees. They walk in there, in the field, in the woods, and along with that they walk along the river. Near the river side also they walk, and last they came to the Toad's house. See how you and your friends, when you will go outside, you have to wander all in the area, and again you came back to your friend's house or your house. The same is happened with them. Toad and Frog, they walk near the field, near the wood side and near the river side, and at last where they came? They came to near the Toad's house. Now what happened next? We have to see. Oh dear, said Toad, not only do my feet hurt, but I have also lost one of the button of my jacket. See here what Toad is saying, that one. Oh dear, because they have walked so much time, so their feet are so much paining, their legs are paining. So Toad is saying that one, that my legs, my feet are so much paining. Not only paining my feet, but also I have lost one of my button, that is on my jacket. What he is saying? He has lost a button which on his jacket. He is saying, Toad is saying to the frog. Then what frog has going to giving the reply, we have to see. Don't worry, said frog, we will go back to all the places where we walk. We will find your button soon. Then what his friend is giving the reply, that, see that one, you don't worry about it, we will go back again the same place where we have walked. Means we have to go to the field, we have to go once again to the field, once again we have to go to the woods, once again we have to go to the near river side. So we will get the button, you just don't worry, we will think, we have to find out the button. This reply who is giving? Frog is giving to the Toad. Next, they walked back to the large field. They began to look for a button in a tall grass. See, first where they went, they walked back to the large field. Just I have told you that one. That large field which is the cover of the trees, we have to see that one. In their field, they have to finding the button, but they are not getting that one, because the field is very large, and they began to look for the button in the tall grass. In the field you have to see, they have to find out the button in the tall grass, but they are not getting, because grass is there, so it is difficult to them to find out. Next, what happened? We have to see here. Here is your button, cried frog. That is not my button, said Toad. See, in the field when they have finding that button, frog has get one of the button he has found, and he said that one, see Toad, this is your button, here I have found one button, this is your button. Then what Toad has given the reply, that one, that is not my button. What he is going to giving the reply, that is not my button, my button is black, that button is black, my button was white. What he is giving the reply, that one, what you have found that button is white color, but which button I have lost, that button is black color. So, but Toad put the black button in his pocket. What he has done, whatever the button he has took or found that one, he has taken that button and again he had to keep in his pocket. Then again they went to the near the wood side, but before that one, what happened, we have to see. A sparrow flew down near Toad and frog. A sparrow came to near to the frog and Toad. What she said, see there, excuse me, said the sparrow, did you lost a button? I found one. See, sparrow also watching that one, and she came to near the Toad and frog, and she asked to them that one, excuse me, did you lost a button? I have found one button. She replying. Then what Toad has giving the reply, what he say, that one we have to see. That is not my button, said Toad. That button has 2 holes, my button had 4 holes. See, sparrow has given the button which she has found. She said that one, see, this is your button, I have found that one. Is it your button? But frog said that one, that is not the button of mine, that one. that my button which I have lost, that is 4 holes, but which you have given, that is only 2 holes. See, things of the button, you have to just see the buttons clarification, or we can say the texture of the button. First we have seen the button which is, it is black color they have found, but what Toad has said that which button he has lost, white color button. Next Sparrow again she has found the one button. Then what Toad has given the reply, that one, that button which he has lost, that having 4 holes, and Sparrow has given one button and that button having only 2 holes. Understood? Next we have to see, then Toad and Frog went back to the woods to look for the button. Again they went to the wood side. I have told you wood means it is a large trees which is a land which is covered of trees. They went back to the near the wood side to find out the button. Then what happened? We have to see here. Here is your button, said Frog. Again they have found one more button and Frog has given that button. See Toad, here is one button. What Toad has given the reply, we will see. That is not my button, cried Toad. The button is small, my button was big. Literally Toad was, his facing was literally crying because he has lost one button, and they are finding that button, but they have found 2 buttons which is black color and another button which Sparrow has given, that one 2 holes are there. Now again in the field side they have, in the wood side they have found one more button, and this Frog has given to the button to the Toad, and he is saying that one, see Frog, this is your button, but his face was literally crying. He is saying that one, this is not my button, my button is very small, but which Frog has given, that button is very big size. The button which Toad has lost, that is white color button, 4 holes and big button, we can say that one. But they have found that black color button, and Sparrow has given the button which is having 2 holes, and again they have found the one button that is only very small size. So these things they have found that one. What is happening in the next, we have to see that. Now Frog and Toad went back to the river. They looked for the button in the mud. Again they went near the river side and they are finding the button, but in the mud they are finding that one, but they are not getting a small button. Again what happened, we have to see. Here is your button, said Frog. Again one button they have found, and they said that one, Frog, see here is one button. That is not my button, said Toad. Again the Toad has what he is going to give reply. He is saying that one, that is not my button. That button is very thin. My button was very thick. The difference we can see here, that one button which they have found, that is very thin, and which button they have lost, that button is very thick. But again what he has done, that Toad, he has taken that button and he has kept in his pocket. The 2 friends looked some more. Then Toad became angry. He jumped up and down and shouted. The 2 friends were looked some more in the area they have found, but they are not getting that button. And what happened? The Toad became very angry, because if we have lost something, if we are not getting that one, we are very angry. Our mood is very angry. The same situation is happened with Toad also. He is become very angry because he has lost one button, but it is not finding that one. They have searched all the area where they went for the walking, where they went walk, and they have seen that one, but which exactly that button that Toad has lost, that exactly button they are not getting. So, his mood is very angry that, and he jumped up, down and shouted. He jumping, see the frog, you know that situation, that one, they are jumping down and very shouting that one. The whole world is covered with buttons and not one of them is mine. What in the shouting, in the angry mood he is saying that one, that this whole world are covered with only buttons, but only one button which I have lost, that is one button I am not getting. That all the buttons are not mine, which I have lost one button, that one mine button is not there, but rather that the whole earth is covered with the buttons. Then what happened next, we have to see. Toad ran home and slammed the door. There on the floor he saw his white 4-holes big thick button. Then angry mood he ran to his home, and he with the angry mood only he shut his door very. In the angry mood he has just closed his door, closed the door, and that near that door what he has done, on the floor he saw his white 4-hole big thick button which he has lost. See, the one for the one button they went near the field side, near the wood side, near the river side and some area near that side they have to finding the button, but they are not getting that one. So, again in the angry mood like that he came in his home, and he in the angry mood he just what he has done, he just closed his door, and on the floor what he has seen that one, on the floor side he has seen his button which he has given the explanation about his button, that is said the white button which is having 4 holes, which is big and which is very thick button. See the description how the Toad has given of the button is that white color, 4 holes, big and thick button. Then what happened? See that one. Oh, said Toad, it was here all the time, and what a trouble I have made for Frog. He is thinking in his mind and he is saying that one, oh, my button is here, but I was giving troubling. I was troubled to my friend so much that one, the whole day I was troubled to my friend. This is he was thinking in his mind. So, what happened in the next, we have to see. Toad looked all of the buttons out of his pocket. He took his sewing and box down from the shelf. Then he sewed the buttons all over his jacket. Whatever he has collected the buttons, he has kept in his pocket. Then he has taken out that all the buttons from his pocket. He was just watching that buttons, and he has taken the needle and the thread. She means stitch, for this stitching we have to say that one. He has took all the buttons and he has just putting that, stitching that button in his jacket. That we have to say that one, here underline it is given, sewed the buttons. You have to say stitch the button with the help of needle and thread. So, whatever they have taken, whatever they have got the button, they have the Toad what he has done, he has keep in his pocket, and he has what he has taken out, and he was watching that all the buttons, and he again they have to sew that one, means stitching that button in his jacket. And next what happened, we have to see. The next day Toad gave his jacket to Frog. His friend thought that it was beautiful. He put it on and jumped for a joy. Next day, whatever that he is thinking about that, Toad was what he is thinking, that whole day he has given the troubling to his friend. Who is his friend? Frog. So he is thinking that one, why can't I give my jacket to my friend? Whichever we have found that buttons, that all the buttons I can put, or I can stitch that buttons on the jacket, and that jacket I can give the gift to my friend. It is happened the next day, that one. The next day Toad gave his jacket to his friend Frog, and his friend thought that one it was very beautiful because it has stitched with the different types of buttons. So he put it on his arm and jumped for a joy. See, someone has given to us some gift or the something, that time we are very excited and we are happy. The same situation is happened with Frog, that one. His friend Toad has given the jacket, and he has what he put it on, and he was so happy, and he was with the happiness, he was just jumping, and none of the button fell off. Toad had sewed them all very well, and while jumping that one, Toad was it is stitched that one the buttons, that none of any one single button also not fall down. So here the friendship we can say that one, if we have to lost something, how the friend is helping to us, and while that one how much in the we are not thinking that one, that if something we have lost and our friend also helping them, but we are not thinking that our friend also help to us. We just, our mind is like that, what the thing we have lost and how can we can find it, how can we get it, that one. The same is happened that one, that Toad was just only concentrate to the button which he has lost, and Frog just helping him that one. And after when he getting that one, he was realized that one, how much trouble I have given to my friend. So as he has given the trouble, so he think that one, he just give the gift to his friend, that is the jacket, and which the button they have founding on the field side, in the river side, in the wood side, they all the button what Toad has kept in his pocket, and that button afterwards he has found take out from his jacket and stitch that the buttons to his jacket and giving the gift to his friend. That friend is Frog, and after taking that jacket of the Frog was very happy that one, because he has taken he has took the gift from the Toad, and it was the very happy moment that to both of the friends we can say that one. I think you are all understood lesson. Once again I will explain about the lesson. This lesson is about the two friends, about Toad and Frog. Toad and Frog, they are walking in the field side, in the grass side, or in the wood side, and in the near river side. So again they back to the home, and while they came to home, that time Toad had realized that one, that he has lost a button. So this all the things he has explained to his friend Frog, and Frog what he has said, he has given the reply to Toad that we will once again will go to the same area where we have walked, and we will find the button. First where they went near the field side, which is the land which is covered with the full of long grass, we can say that one. That area they are finding the button, but one button that Frog has found, that one, that is a button that is black color. But what color it is, I have given that Toad has said that one, he has want the white color button, but they have found the black color button. Next again, while going near the field side, that time a sparrow also, she has seen that one, and she has given the reply that one, that excuse me, have you lost one button? I have found the button. That button is having the two holes, but the Frog or the Toad, they want the button which are having the 4 holes. Next they went near the wood side. In that wood side they have again finding the button. One button they have found that one, that button is very small. But which type of button that toad want? That button is big button, he want that one. But which button they have found? Small button. Again they went near the river side. Near the river side they have seen in the mud, and there they have seen that one more button. That button we can say it is a thin button. We can say it is a thin button, but which type of button that toad want? It is a thick button which he has lost that one. So finally in the angry mood, when he went near his house, and there near on the floor side he has seen that one, that oh, that floor, the button is here only near the house, near the house only, and he say that one, my which button which I have lost, the button is white color, 4 holes, big and thick. So he has think that one, how much trouble I have given to my friend. So what he is thinking, this whatever I have collect the buttons, that all the buttons I can stitch that buttons to my jacket, and that jacket I have to give to my friend, that is frog. So he has given that jacket to frog, and frog was very happy to see that jacket, and he has wear that jacket, and he was very excited and he was very happy. This is the story about the lesson, a lost button. I hope you will understand the lesson. Now the homework is that I am going to give that. Read the lesson carefully. Again underline the hard words. Already it is given with the red line, but again which one words you, while pronouncing which words you will pronounce it difficult, that words also you have to underline it. I hope you will understand the lesson. Thank you.